Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and we have reached the last lecture of Chapter 4. Woohoo! And in this last lecture, we are going to go over something that's not that complicated, but it is different to what we do in English, so it may take a little getting used to, and that is how to say also in Russian. In English, we just have this one blanket word also that we use for all kinds of alsoing. Russian has two words that mean also. It is not uncommon for languages to have multiple words to mean also or whatever, depending on what they're comparing and contrasting. So Russian has two words that mean also. The first is также. Note that it is spelled tak-je. Tak and je are both words in Russian in their own right. Here they are combined into one word and should be written as one word, and it is pronounced также because je is voiced, and so the ka also voices также. And также is used when we have one subject and two objects. Я говорю по-русски. I speak Russian. Я также говорю по-английски. I also speak English. We only have one subject. I am the subject of both sentences, and I'm saying I do something and I also do something else. Or we could say, for example, Женя любит читать. Женя likes to read. Он также любит писать. He also likes to write. Again, Женя is the subject of both sentences, so we have one subject who likes to do two things. Тоже is used when there are two subjects and one object, basically, or one predicate. So we could say, Я говорю по-русски. Женя тоже говорит по-русски. I speak Russian. Женя also speaks Russian. So we have two subjects who are both doing the same thing, and therefore we use тоже. Masha любит читать. Masha likes to read. Sasha тоже любит читать. Sasha also likes to read. Again, we have one action, two subjects, so we are going to use тоже. Hopefully that made some sense and was not too complicated. A big congratulations on making it through Chapter 4. We are almost halfway through the textbook. Hooray! And hopefully this chapter was a bit of a break after the really heavy going of chapters 2 and 3, and you are now prepared to jump into some more really serious grammar.